Hey everybody, Miss Forbes here again. Good to see all of you and hope you're having a good week and enjoying the first week of at-home bingo. I wanted to share with you my progress, and last night I decided that I was going to make one of my favorite recipes, and that's an option on your bingo for help somebody cook a meal and read the directions, measure the ingredients, and then write a review. So I wanted to share with you. Last night I decided to make banana bread. Ta-da, here's the finished product. And banana bread is one of my favorite things to make. It's my mom's famous recipe and I just love making it, and had some bananas that were getting a little rotten looking, and 2 eggs and some milk and some oil and flour and sugar, and that is literally all you need, and vanilla and salt and baking soda. But I will share the recipe with you. So before I review the meal, I wanted to share another idea if you wanted to expand on cooking a meal at home, and that is to create a cookbook. So this here is a cookbook that I started with my mom, and basically it just has all of the recipes that we love making. So here's the first one, famous banana bread. So I have the recipe here, and then I just wrote a little bit about how to put it together, and then just what I think of it when we eat it, just share some fun stories, things that remind you of that food, those kind of things. So I just wanted to share mine with you. Here it is. It's a good one. Gets a little messy if you're using it a lot. But look, there's a picture of my brother making pizza. There's a good recipe for pizza crust. So anyway, if you enjoy cooking, or maybe your mom or dad or your grandma or your auntie have a meal that you really love, I encourage you to reach out to them and say, hey, let's make that together. Teach me how to make it, write it down so that you will have it forever and you'll never forget. So I made a little video montage of me baking banana bread, so I'll share that with you now. Hope you enjoy. I really gotta hold on. So I've taken a slice out of the middle. That's, in my opinion, the best part of the banana bread. And if you just want to take a look, I like to have banana bread with walnuts or pecans. And I always make one loaf with chocolate chips. That's like kind of a special treat, banana bread. But so far, texture, consistency looks good. Most important part is, does it taste good? Let's see. Very good. I think I'm gonna have this for dessert tonight. All right, thanks for tuning in and playing bingo with me this week. I've already got one check and can't wait to see how you all are doing. Bye.